Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Today we're with the Abbott Machine Company. Since 1965, Abbott Machine Company has been a family-owned and operated machinery dealer and rebuilder that is under its fourth generation. Abbott Machine Company is your single source for high-quality new and used equipment. They specialize in the rebuilding, remanufacturing, retrofitting, and servicing of quality boring mills, lathes, and cylindrical grinders. Abbott Machine Company also offers an exceptional selection of equipment for sale, such as horizontal and vertical boring mills, roll grinders, lathes, rotary tables, presses, and more. Engineered to fit your specific requirements, their selection of remanufactured machines perform as well as new and at a fraction of the cost. Abbott Machine Company services a wide range of industries from steel mills, aerospace, oil and gas, mining, roll manufacturers, paper mills, automotive, and power facilities, to name a few. Abbott Machine Company is the only rebuilder in the USA operating a commercial roll grinding shop. With their capabilities, they can provide you with a complete turnkey roll grinding package or grind individual parts for your company's needs. In addition to the highest quality products available, Abbott Machine Company also offers a number of customer services, replacement parts, and their trademarked VersaGrind belt grind system for hard-to-grind materials. Come see some of their recent projects at AbbottMachineCo.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.